Folks, exercise number 1 says to find the absolute value, okay? So I'm looking at this, and I've got 2 bars here. What do those 2 bars, those 2 straight bars, what do they mean, CB?
Absolute value.
They're asking us a question. They're saying, what is the absolute value of the number that's inside here? But before we go on, let me ask you this. What is absolute value? Who can tell me what the meaning of absolute value is? Eric?
The distance of the number from 0.
The distance of the number from 0. So these 2 bars are asking us, what is the distance of negative 0.25 from 0? How far is this number from 0? Eric, how far is this number from 0?
0.25.
It's 0.25. Now some people may ask me, do I need to put the 0 in front of the point? You don't have to. But I'll tell you what happens sometimes, and more frequently than you might imagine. People put the decimal point down, and then when they write their number, they write it over the decimal point and it disappears. Okay? So if you want to sort of help yourself stay steady with that and make sure that that doesn't happen, it helps to put a 0 in there, sort of a placeholder. But it's not incorrect if you just say 0.25. All right? Excellent job. Any questions about that? Now, just before I move on, Eric said that absolute value is the distance of a number from 0. And that means that it's always going to be the number, but positive. What does opposite mean? What does opposite mean? Ian? The 2 numbers with the same absolute value are opposites of each other. Okay? Or I think Ian may have even said it better. An opposite is a number with the same absolute value. Okay? So the opposite of negative 7 is 7. The opposite of 7 is negative 7. Those are the 2 numbers that have an absolute value of 7. Okay? So we would say that they are opposites of each other. Okay? They oppose each other in the sense that they are the same distance but on either side of 0. Okay? Opposite, opposed. All right? Great job there. Let's look at the next review problem.